We got head out here, trim blacking anything.
Hey, no mames, fool. One time out of the day you record Papa camera, cool. Maybe 2 or 3, but take 17? Hey, Lobo, watch. He's gonna, never mind, I'm gonna delete this one, and then he's gonna end up making a video. I'm just kidding, guys. This is my fucking best buddy right here. I would never tell him that.
I'm no longer doing videos, guys.
Mine. Talk to me, bro. We are not only,
We're gonna continue doing videos, guys, so check it out. Heada's getting all this fucking dialed in while Adrian's getting the 63 primer. We're getting the hood all buffed out.
Tell them, I know it looks like a spray can, but it's actually designed to look, you know, like an OEM, just a trim black panel. This is gonna go under the
console.
Yeah, so it's just a little touch instead of it looking
all white and stuff.
Just to kind of.
Crespo, you are gonna see this video. Crespo did not pay. He did not pay for this video, so he's not getting sponsored. No, Crespo, we're helping you out, bro. Come on. Getting this sucker all dialed in.
Come on, guys.
We tried to fit this 2 fender liners in there. They did not fit, so Adrian's gonna work his magic. Adrian.
Yeah, for the ones that say I'm gonna get overspray, this still has another
Color shine and buff, so
like a polish, so.
like you're not gonna be the one buffing it. Oh yeah, he is gonna buff it, guys. So yeah. We got Pepe getting the hinges all dialed in. We're gonna trim black those as well, and then we can get at least the front clip all dialed in. So there's the man.
Man of the hour.
Oh, should cover. So this is not getting sponsored by any. I'll blur it. I'll blur it.
Let's give our true sponsors to Arizona Green Tea.
No.
Had a big deal with Arizona. They sent us over like, what was that, 12 pack? It was open. It was like a sample pack, but hey, shout out to Arizona.
No, fuck no. We're not getting sponsored by Arizona by any means. We're getting sponsored by Pepe.
Buenas tardes.
Mira, otro sponsor, bro. Otro sponsor.
Oh, you just got lucky. Your video's about to get better.
God damn it.
Your video's about to get 10 times better, bro. Our favorite neighbor.
I know. We got.
Our favorite neighbor is here, bro.
Gonna take a break. I'm hungry.
He did not say that, guys. He did not mean it. He is learning English. So Pepe, come on, bro.
So it's right now too. I know the shop looks a little out of place, but
we got a lot of fucking.
This is Charlie.
Make sure you guys do follow Heda's channel, Heda All Day on YouTube. We have our neighbor Charlie. Peace, brother.
So anyways, what's the latest on him?
Trying to get the sucker out.
Nice.
Look, Adrian's mad dogging. I was like, what the fuck is this guy doing? What do you fucking mean? Finally getting this one ready to go. Got the whole front end pretty much cut and polished. It's a little dusty right now, but made a big difference, guys. The gloss is there. Look at all the shine. It's pretty good. Now the hood, it looks pretty glossy. You can see the reflection. We still have to pretty much cut and buff the bed, so it does look a little orange peely. Right now me and Adrian are gonna take the bed off. We need to patch the hole that my buddy cut before. There's Adrian. He's gonna get this sucker going. What's going on, guys? So check it out. We're gonna end up removing the cross member to put it in a fuel cell. We're gonna grind down. I actually already grounded down all the pins, and then I'll just freaking hammer it in. I'm gonna end up taking these off, take the cross member off, and then installing the fuel cell. Adrian's goofing around over there. You can see him. So to remove the pins I was mentioning before, what I do is I ended up getting a cutoff wheel and just cutting off, making an X on it right there. So I did it with the grinder, and what I just do is I get my chisel. It's gonna be loud, guys, so I get my chisel and I just start chiseling it away. So after the chisel, this is what it looks like. And then you can just get anything and push the pin up. And then that's how you get the pin up. That's how the pin looks. And this is how the frame looks right there. So we finally ended up mocking up the fuel saw. And right now, we're gonna end up covering the hole. Maybe sanding this a little bit. We're gonna try to be careful because I mean the panel's already painted. And then maybe just treat it with rust more. Throw some panel bond for the moisture so it doesn't start delaminating from the outside. And then hopefully we can go to the junkyard and I can get a little bit of footage of getting that part right there and then go from there. So we're gonna get this thing going, you know. I didn't feel much when we went to the junkyard, but we pretty much got another piece to weld it in here. I just have to do my final cuts. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut it as closer as I can to this, and then most likely just, you know, weld it on this way. So we're gonna cover that, and we're gonna move the fuel door back in here somewhere. So we're thinking of maybe using the existing door, cutting out the ribs, and then welding the ribs to the actual fuel door, so it can look like nothing's there. So I'm pretty much gonna cover all the holes up, and then we're gonna bedline all of this. I'm gonna grind all of this up too. Try to do a little bit more body work just to make the truck look a lot nicer. We have Adrian over there. Pepe's over there goofing around, so you know, stay tuned for this one, guys. I'll bring you guys in. We're gonna spray. We're gonna actually scare Pepe. Heda's gonna go in there and scare him.
Hey guys, this is Heda. What? No, you do it. Okay.
No, I'll film it, but give him the rundown on what you're gonna do.
Oh, Pepe's over there masking. Damn, I'm over there. Hopefully we're gonna get a good reaction. I'm gonna punch the paper he's masking.
Welcome to Jackass Part 3.
This is the scarecrow.
So check it out, guys. So what we basically did, we ended up cutting out the outline, ended up cutting it. I didn't film much welding, but I am gonna do little welds here. Then we're pretty much gonna seam seal all of this. It's gonna look original, and then they already have seam seal here. So what I'm gonna do plug welds, and then throw a nice seam sealer all around, and then just do body work on this area right here. So I'll bring you guys in. Thank you, Adrian. Adrian's actually holding the flip the camera so they can see you. Come on, dog. See? Oh, hell yeah. So we finally ended up plugging up all the holes. We plugged up all the holes. It's gonna look a lot nicer once we do the bed liner. We ended up finishing up the patch over there. I'm gonna start doing some body filler, and I'm gonna end up smoothing out this area right there, and then just basically sand the whole bed and get it all Raptor line. So he's gonna go with the color match Raptor liner. So I'm just gonna try to smooth it out the best I can. It's not gonna be perfect, but hey, it's gonna be a lot better. We still have to somehow modify this to put the filler neck in here. So that's gonna be it. I'm just gonna pretty much finish up all my filler work, maybe sand the whole bed down, and then take the bed, put it back in the truck, and measure where the fuel neck is gonna go. Start maybe cutting that out. So still a long ways to go, but we're gonna get this sucker out of here pretty soon. We're still waiting on some bumpers. He is gonna go with a smooth look with that same grill up there, so it's gonna be a smooth bumper front and rear, and then with that grill right there. I believe he said he's gonna get some billet inserts for the grill, so it's gonna be good. Keep you guys updated, so stay tuned, comment, like, subscribe, do all the good stuff. We have Adrian over there still going on the 63. This is the last round of primer, getting it all ready for paint. Adrian, you pretty much has all of this side ready. Just has to basically edge any Geico leftover. We see, so there's the freaking truck. We ended up taking the cross member out. Took the cross member out and put the fuel saw. It's already mocked up. I had to drill a bigger hole because this is where the hole goes for the bed. So all of this is gonna get sandwiched, but just for security, we're gonna end up putting some more screws in there. Waiting on sending unit. But hell yeah! Check out the color on the K5 Blazer. It's gonna be nice color right there. Head up still. This is the second. This is why he takes so long, guys. Check him out. He sits over there and expects the paint to dry. So we ended up running on some problems on this one. Some scratches actually showed through. That was on us on the prep work. So we were struggling yesterday. He's still struggling today. This is the second day of him trying to fix everything, but he's a perfectionist, so he can't let stuff go. It's gonna be a nice color, the 1J7. So there he is over there goofing around. So bring you guys in there once he clears everything, and then we'll go from there. Check it out, everyone. So this is the pad I was telling you guys about. You put it on a buffer, and you basically just look at that guy. He interrupted me again. You put it on the buffer, and you pretty much just scuff up the bed. As you guys can tell, I already finished basically all of this side over here. And I'm going this way. So don't do that to me, guys. Pepe! There he is, the infamous Pepe. So yeah, pretty much I'm gonna end up finish cleaning up this, and then we should get everything all ready. Put the bed back in the truck, and then start cutting out the hole. So I'll bring you guys in once we start doing that. All my welds, I ended up doing a little bit of body filler, where they did the notch right there. And then we also did a concealed door for the fuel cell. So once it gets bed liner, you'll hardly tell that there's a door here. So check it out, guys. It's good. We ended up taking the original door cap from the truck and just using the whole mechanism and, you know, welding it all in there. Pretty much that's it. I'm gonna end up moving to masking the whole bed and just re-blacking everything in here, you know, everything that shows white. And then after that, we need to order the bed liner and tint it. So it is gonna go with the red bed liner on the bed. So I'll keep you guys updated. But as of now, the whole bed is pretty much done, sanded and prepped. Like I said, we just have to seam seal some areas and get the bed liner going. So hell yeah.